Hi, today we're in Kenilworth at a magnificent Victorian villa called Stanford House, in the very exclusive private close of Upper Ladies Hill and opposite a beautiful secluded woodland. Upper Ladies Hill is a short walk to the Old Town, Kenilworth Castle, Abbey Fields, and close to all the town centre's amenities and restaurants, including The Cross, a Michelin-star restaurant literally minutes away. Stanford House is a Grade 2 listed property that has been extensively renovated and extended by the current owners over the last 20 years, providing 5 bedrooms, a separate converted coach house currently being used as offices, or could be used as additional family accommodation. There are electric rear gates, garages, driveways for parking several cars, and stunning landscape gardens to the front and the rear with mature trees and shrubs, with the addition of a discreet heated swimming pool. My name's Sarah Garland from Fine & Country, and if you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.